Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Basically, today I'm going to show you how to join a gang. Any gang, the gang. Okay, let's go. Okay. So basically, to join a gang, all you would need is 1 second. This is it. If you just get a bandana, then you can join the gang. So this one is for the bloods. And then, if you get this one, then you can join the other gang, which is the Crips. And this is the best way to join a gang. But I will not recommend joining a gang. That is not a good one. That is a dangerous one. You do not want to do this. That is not acceptable. What you should do is join your local library and do some reading and do some writing. That way you can be very knowledgeable and get a good education. That is the good one. You know my cousin Tepe? He made a gang in Ghana where he used the blue one that matched my hand color. Yeah, and he called this gang the Smurfettes. That was not a good idea because the Smurfettes did not do nothing. They just, walk around and did not equate to anything. So I will not recommend joining the Smurfettes or any of these ones. It is not worth it. You will not get good Ugandan dollars or good grades trying to join the gangs. It is not worth it. It is not good. It is not nice. Okay. As always, guys, if you like what you see, please subscribe. Follow me on all of my stuff. As always, bye.